we'll be giving you more information about bus tours in Washington, D.C.
Welcome to Free Tours by Foot. I'm Camden, and I'm here to take you around the world for the best travel tips, how-to guides, and tour highlights. To keep finding out more, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to join us on one of our walking tours, visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com.
For a more detailed look at the pros and cons of each option, be sure to read the blog post by clicking the link in the description below this video. There are many bus tours to choose from, but certainly the most popular bus tours in Washington, D.C. are the hop-on, hop-off buses. If you're looking for a bus tour that will allow you to jump off and explore a specific memorial, museum, or neighborhood, hop-on, hop-off tours might be your best bet. These tours allow you to enjoy D.C. however you want, where you choose how much time you spend at any one stop, and many have audio tours in up to a dozen languages. All hop-on, hop-off tickets can be purchased for multiple days, and most include a night tour. Night tours often take you to the sites that are hard to get to on foot, such as the Iwo Jima Marine Corps Memorial. Hop-on, hop-off buses tend to be the most cost-effective option, but they also come with larger buses, and thus more people. On busy days, you may have to wait at a stop for up to 30 minutes for an available seat on the next bus. Another bus tour option is a full-service bus tour. A full-service tour combines a bus tour with several walking tours at select stops, such as the White House. Unlike the hop-on, hop-off bus tours, the buses on these tours wait for you and your guide. You can see more of the city in a shorter time frame with these types of bus tours. These are usually premium services, but they do save you time, and you will have the same live guide and a climate-controlled bus for the entire tour, so you won't have to wait at each stop. The buses also tend to be smaller than the double-decker buses, which means smaller crowds. So visit our post on Washington, D.C. bus tours for a full breakdown, or ask us a question below in the comments section.